In every corner of America, our national forests stand tall, protecting communities, fueling our economy, and inspiring generations. In 2025, the U.S. Forest Service delivered landmark achievements that strengthened the health and resilience of national forests and grasslands, expanding rural connectivity, and provided benefits used by all Americans. We faced the highest number of wildfire starts since 2016, yet held acres burned to nearly half the 10-year average. Through active forest management, we reduced hazardous fuels across more than 3 million acres, safeguarding homes, wildlife, and watersheds. This year marked the highest level of reforestation in 25 years, renewing 285,000 acres, stabilizing soils, and restoring habitat. These efforts ensure clean water, vibrant ecosystems, and forest products for future generations. We strengthened America's timber supply, exceeding targets with 2.94 billion board feet sold, supporting jobs and reducing reliance on imports. Innovation advanced with $80 million in wood innovation grants, fueling new markets and rural prosperity. After a devastating hurricane season, we helped communities recover, reopening more than 350 miles of trails and roads and restoring access to recreation. We welcomed hundreds of millions of visitors to their national forests and put Great American Outdoors Act dollars to work, improving services, enhancing recreation opportunities, and ensuring every American can enjoy their big backyard. We expanded rural connectivity, modernizing broadband permitting and cutting delays by 84%, bringing opportunities to communities across the country. From restoring 1,400 miles of streams to investing in wildfire defense grants for rural and tribal communities, to advancing forest health mapping 2 years ahead of schedule. Every effort reflects our commitment to resilience, innovation, and stewardship. In fiscal year 2025, the Forest Service generated more than $1.1 billion from program activities, funds reinvested in states, counties, and the U.S. Treasury. This year, we're sharpening our focus to the priorities that guide our mission. We're putting safety first for our employees and the public. We're protecting communities from wildfire, leaning into our rapid response capabilities to keep fires small while reducing hazardous fuels at scale. We're actively managing forests to expand timber products, reduce barriers to grazing, and return forests to health and productivity. We're supporting America's energy and resource needs, ensuring responsible access to the minerals and materials that power our nation. We're helping communities recover after disaster, rebuilding stronger and faster. We're expanding access to outdoor recreation, improving trails, campgrounds, and facilities so everyone can enjoy their national forests. And we're cutting red tape, becoming a more efficient, responsive agency focused on delivering results. And across all this work, we're strengthening existing partnerships and building new ones, because shared stewardship is how we meet today's challenges and deliver lasting impact for the American people. Our national forests are more than landscapes. They are America's foundation for prosperity, resilience, and hope. Together, we are building a legacy that will endure for generations.